I'm just going to give you a quick introduction to how to access IXL as a student at West Park. So from our remote learning website that your classroom teacher has probably given you, you can access IXL, this first link right here, and it goes directly to our IXL page that says West Park on it. And because it already says at West Park, you only need to put in the first part of your child's username. So I'm going to use this child as an example, and then I'm going to put his password in. And then I'm going to press sign in. And you're going to start out by going to a recommendations page. You can go to math. You can go to language arts. You can go to science. Oops. And you can go to social studies to do your grade specific lessons. Your teacher also might have a gold star somewhere right here. And that will be what he or she recommends. And then sometimes a teacher might ask you to go to a diagnostic test, which is up at the top, and it says diagnostic. And when you go to diagnostic, you're going to step into the arena. And then this is going to let your teacher know what levels you're at, and you can continue to do the diagnostic every so often or when your teacher requests it. So this is how you navigate through IXL, learning the subjects, or you can just do your recommendations, or if they've specifically asked you to do a certain lesson, I'm going to give you an example of that. I'm going to pretend that this student is in first grade, and let's say the teacher has asked you to go to F3 and do this lesson. So this is F3, understanding subtraction. And then if they say Q5 through 10, they mean to do this one, each one of these lessons, 5 through 11 or something like that. So each grade level has a number at the side, or it has letters A, B, C, D along this side. And then each section topic has a letter next to it and then numbered questions. And don't forget that when you answer a question, you can click on it, and how many fish are there? You can click this little sound.
How many fish are there?
Read the question, and then there are 2 fish, so I'm going to click 2, and you see how it's darker? Then I'm going to press submit. And if you don't press submit, you're not actually answering the question. And then it'll say, well done, and give me another question. And then over here, it will basically tell you when you're done with this section. And that's it. If you have any other questions, if you Google IXL instead of going through our remote learning website, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. And in that case, you will need to put your username up here at the top at West Park, because that is how, and then your password, and sign in. That is how you would just go to IXL's website just without being on West Park's dedicated page. Okay, great. Let me know if you have any questions. My email is at wjrose@cps.edu. Thanks.